there's Fair Oaks Farms. Passing that on the way to take the New Holland 855 round baler down to the Retired Irons auction in Rensselaer, Indiana. Alright, just hopping out a little over halfway there. Check the bearings. Yeah, they're not warm. Nope, tires don't look any better than when I left. Like I said, pulling the baler to the auction. We got the new John Deere, so we don't need it. Gonna keep going. Only getting about 25 to 30 mile an hour, so it's a while. Alright, getting the tractor filled with hydraulic fluid. Got it hooked up. Got that hydraulic cylinder changed, or fixed. Took it to the shop. They fixed it. It was just as simple as pulling off. You literally just pull that nut off. This is a 1/2 inch. There's a 1/2 inch nut on the inside. You take that out. That slides out. That comes out. I believe that's an 11/16, 3/4, 3/4. Take those off. Sent it to the shop. They got on it in a hurry. B&C Machining. We told them we needed it done, and they went, all right, we'll get on it. Called the next day, said it's ready to go. So it's the day after that, and we got hay ready to bale, so they got right on it. All right, gonna get that filled with hydraulic fluid. I gotta put the monitor in the cab still, and then I'm ready to go bale. All right, got done baling. Got 8.5 bales. Just a small field. It's my uncle's, just around his house kinda. I don't think he wants corn and soybeans out here, so he just leaves it in hay and lets us bale it. We're happy to have it for the cattle. There's the bales. That one doesn't look very good. Ah well. Alright, gonna head home with it. Alright, I bought a 560. I was at the Retired Irons auction yesterday. Couldn't pass it up. It's a 1961 Farmall 560. Obviously has the narrow front end. It says 2,700 hours. At first I thought, no way that tack's working. I fired it up, the tack worked. I am assuming it's been rolled over before, but the motor seems pretty tight. Doesn't show signs of a rebuild. I don't know, it might just have that few of hours. It looks like it's been sitting for a while, so I thought I'd burn the carbon off. I drove it home yesterday, almost 30 miles, and then today got it hooked up to the grinder. We're just feeding it full bore and it's eating it. Every once in a while it gets into a hard pull and bogs the tractor a little bit, but she throttles right back up. So, got the New Holland 351, grinding cattle feed, ear corn into cattle feed. I know I've shown you guys a few times, but Agland beef maker 6, soybean meal,
salt, and then underneath the salt is the yeast. That's what we put into our ground ear corn, turn it into cattle feed. We get it all from GrowTech. Check them out. If you like what they have and you buy something, let them know who you heard them from. Here's the old 560. This is Grandpa's old 560. It's a 59. Mine's a 61. Wide front end with a loader. Mine doesn't have either of those. We're gonna have a 560 day out here though. This one pulls the feed wagon. Mine's grinding the feed. This one, however, I think we've done some math. With how many rebuilds this thing has, it probably has 40,000 hours on it. I have no clue how many hours mine has. But it still runs, feeds cattle every day. Get a nice side shot of the two 560s together. Oh yeah. Alright. Augering off feed. Got them both up here. Alright, so we finally got rain. Just a couple days later, look how green these oats are. Remember last time I showed you they were kind of yellow down low? Well, they really greened up from that rain. And I forgot to make an ending to this video, so thought I'd show you the oats. Video's over quite a few days. Started off, I think it was Wednesday, I pulled that baler down to the auction. Then Thursday I baled that hay. Saturday I bought the 560. Showed it to you Sunday, using it to grind feed. Seems like a pretty good tractor. And now it's Tuesday of next week. I'll probably get this posted either Wednesday or Thursday. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I thought these oats would be a little bit taller than they are. I mean, they're just at knee high. Maybe they'll still grow. I don't know. They seem to be heading out all right. I mean, there's a lot more head down in there you can feel, so hopefully I'll get a good crop of oats. As always, have a good one.